Hello everyone. Let's start the third part of class 9 science chapter 2, that is each matter surround us pure. In previous those two parts we have already discussed pure and impure substance, means just hints. In pure substance we have classified element and compound, but in impure substance this is only mixture. In previous second part we have already learned element and metals, but this third part we have learned what compounds. Let's start this topic. First, compounds. What is compounds? They are formed when two or more elements combine in fixed whole number ratio, and this ratio is either mass or volume. Let's take this example: water, H2O. When two number of hydrogen and one number of oxygen combine, then water is formed. Its number of ratios is what? 2:1 means 2H, and 1O means 2:1. But this is mass ratio is hydrogen 2, and means so hydrogen atomic number 1 means is mass number 1 means two numbers of hydrogen means 2 into 1 2, and oxygen, the mass of oxygen is what? 16 मीन्स 2:16. हम जब इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो होगा 1:8 मीन्स इस मास रेशियो 1:8 मीन्स इस फिक्स रेशियो, फिक्स मास रेशियो, and its number of elements ratio is 2:1. means every compounds have a fixed whole number ratio. Next comes to characteristics. The first one is compounds are homogeneous. Homogeneous means same compositions throughout. Let's take an example. NaCl means salt. When we take small portion of salt, then we have the same number, same salt. Okay, means in this salt this is same compositions throughout. Second one is properties of compounds are entirely different from constituents. मीन्स कंपाउंड का जो प्रॉपर्टीज और उसका जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का प्रॉपर्टीज से डिफरेंट है. एग्जाम्पल वाटर. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर आर डिफरेंट एज कंपेयर टू H and O. The third one is the constitution can't be separated by physical methods. Means the constituents of the compounds can't be separated by physical method like evaporation, sublimation, filtration. If we suppose examples water, if you dissociated water by electrical method, then it can dissociate, means it can be separated only chemical method, not physical method. Clear, students? Next, it's a fixed properties like melting point and boiling point, means all compounds have fixed melting point and boiling point. Last one is formation of compound is accompanied by energy changes, means when compounds is formed, that is accompanied by energy changes. Suppose when you make a compound, means its energy is either increases or decreases, because when two elements are combined, then a chemical reactions occurs between them. So its energy is either increases or decreases. And this next example is water, NaCl, CO2, sulfur dioxide, etc. It's all about your compound. Next, mixture. Mixture, it is formed when two or more substances are simply mixed. Means when mixture is formed, how this is two or more substances are simple mix. If any substance have different ratio of mass, different ratio of numbers, no chemicals occur, this is simply mixed only. This is mixture. And the mixtures are two types. First one is homogeneous, second one is heterogeneous. In the next part, let's start what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous. Next comes to characteristics of mixture. The first one is mixture is homogeneous or heterogeneous, means both. It's have different constitution or same compositions throughout. The second one is its properties are same as the constituents, means the mixtures, the properties of mixture is same through its constituents. Means suppose we mix solid and liquid, then we found semi-solid. Suppose we mix solid and solid, then we found solid substance. Third one is its formation does not require or release energy. When mixture is formed, it does not mean to require or release energy. It's simply mix only. The fourth one is properties like melting point and boiling point are not fixed. All mixtures, means all melting point and boiling point of mixtures is not fixed. Suppose this melting point is either increases so many or decreases, as say like this. Boiling point also increases decreases, is not fixed. It's the properties of mixture. Another one is constituents can be separated by physical method, means when we eat mixture, then we already this mixture, this constituents of mixture is separated by hand picking methods. Okay, means it's separated by physical method, any mixtures.